welcome to Future Guys, and today in our video we are going to see what's inside a speaker. If you think that my speaker is big one, then you're wrong. It's too small. But guys, it don't matter on big or small, because every speaker is made up of same things inside it. If you think from where did I get the speaker, you can get such speakers in any toy which makes some sound if it's small. My sister have a very big castle, but the machinery inside it was really small, from which I got this. In that there was a small motherboard, so many motors, and no, one motor, and so many transistors, and two LEDs,
One motor.
and so many wires.
Motor!
And the main thing which I forgot to tell you in our last video is that only not me, we both will make videos for this channel. My friends will also make, Dipanshu, Archit, and many more. So let's get started. If you think this really itty bitty thing don't make noise, just see right now. So guys, I just take an old earplug, cut its two things which we insert in our ears, and take out that wire, the copper thing inside the wires, the rubber covering, and then just connected my itty bitty speaker's wire to it, and now it looks something like this. Now I am opening my tab, guys, on which I am going to on something from which you can hear my speaker. So guys, I just on piano tiles on my tab, so that you can listen the sound of this itty bitty speaker, because it make a really low noise. I'm going to bring it near to our microphone of our mobile on which I'm making the video. I bring that. Oh, sorry guys. Now I bring it near. Now let's on this. I have started. Oh man, I lose really fast. Oh, I think it hides the camera. I put something slow so that you can hear. The song was really fast. It was Kankan. Okay, guys, I am doing the Blue Stone Alley. I think you can hear that sound. So let's now check what's inside that speaker, that itty bitty mighty tiny speaker. So guys, I'm using a knife. You can use any type of cutting tool. See this. I don't have any cameraman, that's why it's a bit difficult. Just start from its parts. This is a small bass. It vibrates when the speaker is on. Before making this video, I put the speaker on some songs and touch like this, so I feel vibrating. There is a copper wire, you see, and below it it's a magnet, and this whole plastic part is basket which holds everything. And I think this much information is enough, and while cutting I will tell you about all about it. So guys, let's get started. I wish I would have a cameraman. Do you guys know India? I live here in India. First, I think that my knife is to cut these borders with my knife. So guys, I just look on the speaker and I found below it there are some gaps like this. So I thought to push my knife inside it. Let's try that. Let's hold it like this. Put our knife here and press. So as you can see, it's coming out. You can see, guys, from here it's coming out. Sorry for not having a cameraman. See, guys, I will remove a small part of it. Yeah, guys, I removed it. So I see, you can see there that the copper wire is pasted with this upper plate, and here in the magnet there is a small gap between in which this wire fit. I removed it and took it out. I also see here small strand of this wire comes out. I think here only I connected those wires, and this wire is connected to these two small strands here. So let's put this part away and see its magnets. Hey guys, that's difficult to take it out. Yo, my knife is not magnetic. See? What? That is magnetic, guys. Okay, let's take it out. I'm pausing the video. So guys, after so many failing attempts, when this small magnet starts sticking to this magnet ring, I thought to first remove this part. Let's try this. I think to remove it with nails. So I successed. Just now, like, it was stick like this. See? See, guys, how to show you guys. See, I removed it. It's something like this magnet piece. This is a magnet with this type of shape. Just a lucky shape. And this, let's remove this magnet part. And yes, guys, I forgot to tell you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to see more videos. And I forgot to tell you, we will also add guitar lessons, art and craft, science experiments,
Dances.
life hacks, dances, and many more. See, to enjoy, to discover and explore.